In this video, I'll be discussing everything you need to know about the demand. So demand is inversely proportional to the price. What that means is when price increase, demand would decrease, and when price decrease, demand would increase. And this is what a demand curve would look like. Because demand is inversely proportional to the price, the line is sloping downwards. So the definition of demand is the willingness and ability to buy a product. Market demand is the total demand for a product. Now let's look at the effects of price change on demand. So first is extension in demand, and this is a rise in quantity demanded caused by a fall in the price of a product. Next is contraction in demand, and this is a fall in quantity demanded caused by a rise in the price of a product. So over here, as you can see, when price falls, the quantity demanded increases, so it moves from A to B. In contraction in demand, the price rises and the quantity demanded reduces. Since we've looked at the change in price, we can now look at the change in demand. So increase in demand is the rise in demand at any given price, causing the demand curve to shift to the right. For example, the demand for ice cream during the summer. And a decrease in demand is the fall in demand at any given price, causing the demand curve to shift to the left. For example, when the income tax increases. So what causes the change in demand? Changes in income could affect the demand. Normal goods are goods whose demand is proportional to the income earned. Inferior goods are goods whose demand is inversely proportional to the income earned. The price of complements and substitute could also affect the demand. Complement is a product that is used together with another product. Substitute is a product that is used instead of another product. Advertisements and advertising campaigns could also affect the demand. Changes in population also affects the demand. Aging population is an increase in the average age of the population. Birth rate is the number of live births per thousand of the population in a year. Death rate is the number of deaths per thousand of the population in a year. And then we have changes in tastes and preferences, which would also affect the demand. And last but not least, government policies could also affect the demand.